CBSE finds variation between theory, practical marks issues advisory to schools. NEET UG 2024 topper a lung disease couldn't stop Divyansh from scoring 720 by 720. IIT Delhi placements 2024 677 offers made, average salary stood at 20.46 lakh per annum. Medical aspirants must carefully assess their option of studying in Philippines Embassy. IITG schedule out for JoSA Counseling 2024. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has issued an advisory for schools to carry out meticulous assessment during practical examinations in schools. The directive is aimed to ensure that a more robust, transparent, and reliable mechanism is followed for the assessment process in the exams. The decision comes as the board found significant variation in the marks of 50% students in over 500 schools. The variation of the marks was seen in theory and practical subjects. Following this, the board directed the schools to review their internal assessment procedures. News agency PTI has noted that the schools have been advised to prioritize fairness and accuracy in assessing practical examinations and ensuring the process is realistic and adds substantial value to students' academic journey based on past years' result statistics. PTI quoted CBSE Secretary Himanshu Gupta. He added, "A native of Haryana's Charkhi Dadri, Divyansh cracked NEET UG 2024, the results of which were declared on 4th June. With the dream of becoming a doctor, he went to Rajasthan's Kota along with his mother and siblings to prepare for the medical entrance examination. He credits the competitive environment of the city for his success. The environment one gets here is incomparable. Students across the country with the same goal and intelligence come here for guidance, making the city more friendly for students," he said. After the provisional answer key was out, Divyansh knew his NEET result. "I could not believe my eyes while checking the answers. It felt like it was my answer script. I was waiting to see the results as I was confident of securing a good rank in the NEET UG," he said. "When I shared this with my father, he encouraged me to become a doctor and serve society differently," the topper said. This year, 113 companies including regular top-tier recruiters, mid-segment firms, and startups participated in the placement drive. The overall placement percentage is 85.98%. BTech placement percentage stood at 84% and MTech placement percentage is 89%. The highest compensation international offered is 95.15 lakhs per annum rupees and domestic is 49 lakhs per annum rupees. 78 offers with CTC above 30 lakhs per annum rupees were made. 9 students received international offers. As per a press statement issued by the institute, Dr. Ranjan Bose, director of IIT Delhi, remarked, "The outstanding placement results this year are a testament to the quality of education and holistic development our students receive. Despite the challenging economic climate, our graduates have secured top-tier positions, industries trust in our institution." Embassy of India, Manila has released an advisory for medical aspirants who are planning to study in Philippines. An official notification from the embassy advised the students to carefully assess their option of pursuing their medical course from Philippines. The notification reads, "Indian students' parents are once again urged to carefully assess their options before taking up medical programs in the Philippines to avoid financial loss or professional uncertainty in the future." The advisory was released in response to various queries regarding the amendment of the Medical Act of 1959 in the Philippines. Several reports had earlier mentioned that Philippines had amended the Philippine Medical Act of 1959. The embassy wishes to further convey that it has not received any official communication from the Philippine Government Authority in this regard, the notification read. Joint Seat Allocation Authority, JoSA, has released the schedule for the counseling session for admission through JEE Advanced 2024. The counseling process for admission through the joint entrance exam will begin after the announcement of JEE Advanced 2024 result. Candidates who qualify the JEE Advanced 2024 will have to undergo the JoSA 2024 counseling process to secure a seat at the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, National Institutes of Technology, NITs, Indian Institutes of Information and Technology, IITs, and other government-funded technical institutes, GFTIs. The registration process for the counseling and choice filling for academic programs under JoSA will begin on 10 June 2024. Candidates who qualify for the Architecture Aptitude Test (ART) can fill in their art-specific choices starting from 14th June 2024 after the declaration of the ART result. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.